Let's learn how you can create AI generated poster on Canva. So first step is to open your browser and go to canva.com website. Now you want to head over to Dreamlab, which is on side menu, and on this prompt box you want to type in comments or text about poster you want to make. So here I type create me a poster about music, and you just want to click on create. Now we just wait until pictures finished with uploading. And as you can see here, we got some posters about music, which is good enough. This one is also okay. This one also. Now this one is the best, and you can also edit it in design if you want. If you want, you just can click three dots and download the image. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.